Hello guys, I'm back. I just received a package from the UK and I would like to get this opportunity to share with you my latest investment in terms of book. So this is still locked and I will get this opportunity to open the package with you. These days, I bought from the Elsevier the Chemical Engineering Design Carlson and Richardson Chemical Engineering Series. So it is the sixth edition, and I like a lot to have printed books. I prefer to use them when I need to get concentrated, although I have some ebooks available in my smartphone and also in my computer. I always like to have my printed version, as you can see here in my bookshelf, and I will share with you some of them and do some comments. What are the main kinds of books that I have in my bookshelf and that I recommend you have also. Anyway, I bought this book and from the website, and it just came very fast considering that it came from the UK and I live in Brazil. It was around 5 days only, and my intention with this book for sure is get more skilled in chemical process engineering and plant design. We are always able to improve ourselves in technical skills and also in social skills. And with this, I believe that I can give better classes to my in-process booster students and also on internet for free content on internet. My main objective is to get in deeper in the equipment design with my students. So many pages to be read, and it seems a very quality book. With this edition, I also bought the PDF edition. It was a combo, a package with both of books, the same book in printed version and the PDF version. And let's see what I can offer to you now that I have this printed version available to me. So guys, in terms of books, I believe that any chemical process engineer or any professional should have at least 3 kinds of books in their bookshelf. The first one are the technical ones. As you can see, I have the Perry Chemical Engineering Handbook and some books in Portuguese for pumps, controls, instrumentation, process engineering, industrial, and towers. So the technical books, it will be the source of information to solve problems in a technical way. But in my point of view, technical books is not the only kind of book that you should get access, or you should invest your time and money if you work with chemical process engineering and plant design. One part of our job as chemical process engineers working in plant design is to help, support, and eventually do the management of a project. So in this way here in my bookshelf, I have also some books related to project management. And one characteristic that I have is once I decide to study something, I like to have more than one book from the same subject, because this way I am able to compare the different point of view of different authors. So in this case, I have a lot of technical books, but my suggestion to you is you have also in your bookshelf books related to personal development. Here you can see Tony Robbins' book. It in English is Awakening the Giant Within. I have many others personal development books that's not here. It's with my wife, but the personal development books is the source, or it is what sustains our direction. They give to us directions to where to go. So if I want to be a better chemical process engineer, I want to work with plant design, I want to impact much more people or companies, the personal development books are the source for that. And of course that if you already know your direction, you have the technical knowledge to do that, it's time to show to the world, or to show to the people that you are able to do that. So based on that, I have also some books related to marketing. So you can see here, I am only able to reach you if you are watching this video is because there was any time in my life or in my career that I decide to invest on marketing. And the marketing, it's not something that is evil. It's not something that is to you be what you are not. My point of view, marketing is very useful to show to others people that you are able to do what you are able to do. Without marketing, we don't buy books, we don't buy movies, we don't get more knowledge, because if I don't know if it exists, it's not possible to get in touch or get familiar with. So based on that, I have here marketing books, personal development books, and also for sure technical books. So guys, which kind of books do you read to get to develop a successful career in chemical process engineering, in plant design, or if you are not a chemical process engineer, in any career that you want to? So this is my suggestion to you. Have at least technical books, personal development books, and marketing books. Sales books is very important also. Negotiation books is very important also, because we need to be able to solve problems. We need to have the strength to support the stress to solve problems, but we need to show to the world, to the people, to the company, to the stakeholders that you are able to solve problems. This is it. Let me know in the comments what kind of books you get in touch with, and I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye.